Hi there, meteorologist Pamela Gardner. More 80s in the forecast, at least through Sunday. We'll go up and down with the temperatures, but not much of a change. We'll stay right around the average high that's sitting between 81 and 82 degrees this time of the year for Boston. Wednesday, 84, 86 for Thursday, down to 80 degrees on Friday. We expect more cloud cover, but the humidity will be higher too. Plus rain chances Friday into Saturday, and then Sunday will be dry with low humidity. Beach and boating forecast for today, though, picture perfect. Tons of sunshine on the beach, 79 degrees as you lay out. Make sure you have the sunscreen. It's not going to feel too bad out there, but that wind coming on shore from the east at 10 miles per hour will cool you off. You may not need to get into the water. Water temps sitting between 63 and 70 degrees, and low tide right before 3:30 this afternoon. Temperatures soar into the 70s along the coastline thanks to that onshore sea breeze and that wind here. 80s once you get inland, 84 for Bedford, Lawrence, Manchester 86, and we'll go 80 degrees across Hyannis on Cape Cod there. Lows tonight back in the 60s and 50s. It'll be a comfortable night once again, but the humidity starts to inch up slowly. During the day on Thursday, the clouds increase too, but probably another beach day on the Cape and Islands. As we go through the forecast Friday, that's when we have a pretty high chance of some rain and scattered storms, 71 degrees for the temperature. Weekend forecast Saturday, a few storms, 85. Sunday, lowering humidity, 84 degrees and more sunshine. So the weekend looking okay. It's just Friday, it's going to be a little soggy from time to time, and a few storms for Saturday. Here's the timing here. There's an area of low pressure that moves in Friday morning. That's going to increase our humidity levels, and we'll have enough breaks before another round of rain for Saturday. Saturday early afternoon, perhaps some pop-up showers and storms along that frontal boundary. Behind it, still warm, but drier air in play. Lower humidity for Sunday, and we're in between systems, so it looks like a dry second half of the weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. Lots of 80s for the next several days. Thursday, more humid, increasing clouds. 86 Friday, 80 with more storm chances and showers. Few storms Saturday, Sunday, 84. Picture perfect again next Monday with still low humidity, 86. Then we get close to 90 degrees next Tuesday and a round of some rain.